Hello again, guys. Thank you for joining us. In today's video we're going to be showing you the Beroe Football Club Stadium, which is in the city of Stara Zagora. I hope you guys enjoy the walk, and yeah, let's begin.
I don't know if you see, but somebody's doing mountain biking there.
Oh yeah, nice. And by the way, guys, the stadium is actually in the mountain, more or less, so it's pretty cool. So let's see where the journey takes us.
Check out that lighting tower.
Yeah, we got the floodlights for the stadium. Pretty cool. I've never seen the stadium myself, so this is going to be pretty interesting. Have you seen it, Stan?
Yeah, I've been there to 1 or 2 games. I don't watch much football, but of course try to support your local team.
Of course, yes. So let's check it out, see where this walk actually takes us. A lot of cars everywhere, so let's see, just wait for them to go by.
Might be a game. There's a lot of cars. Usually there's not that many around here.
Let's check it out. Maybe we'll catch an actual match.
We'll be able to see if they're playing. Our walk will take us to a view where we can see inside the stadium as well.
Well, I can't hear anything, so I don't think there's a match on. Maybe there's training, or something.
Or maybe just people who came to enjoy the beautiful weather in the forest, in the park, because it is inside a park as well.
So which way are we going?
We're going to the right.
Okay. Is this like a fitness? No, this is like a restaurant, fitness restaurant or something.
Just fit food, I don't know. That seems to be the team.
Yeah, fit food. So we got some posters of Bulgarian sports people. Pretty cool. And as I said, the actual stadium is a little bit in the mountains, so we're gonna be hiking for a little bit.
We're going uphill.
I should have brought my hiking boots.
I wouldn't need them. The roads are quite good around here. We're still in the more populated area. But there are quite a few walks you can take that are like, say, made for, I can't recall what, off-road basically.
Yeah.
Through the forest itself. The thing with those off-roads are, you gotta be careful, you gotta watch out, because you can easily get hit by a person doing mountain biking. So,
well, up here?
well, yeah.
Okay, so
Well, not on these roads. I'm talking about off-road, the black ones.
Okay. So basically the hiking trails and stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly. I couldn't find a word.
Okay, my legs are already tired.
Now you see why I always walk faster than you.
Yeah. You're used to it, yeah, walking uphill. So guys, as you can see, this is like the forest on the side and the mountains, so it's pretty secluded in a way. Do we have like where we can walk, or are we actually walking on the road? Yeah, we're actually walking on the road, more or less.
We're gonna be getting a much better view very soon.
Amazing.
Definitely. We're gonna just follow those cars.
Yeah, okay.
And we'll be able to have a much clearer view of the stadium itself.
So let's say you don't have any tickets for the actual match. Can you actually go up here and like just sit somewhere and watch the match?
Yeah, people do that all the time. Just get bionicles and
wow,
there
okay.
you go. You don't. Here it is clear.
So we already can see a little bit of the stands of the stadium. Floodlights.
You see those buildings in the distance?
Yeah.
People go there, up there, and just watch it as well.
Wow. Amazing. So guys, if you want to watch a free game of Beroe playing in Stara Zagora, maybe make some acquaintances with the people living in the blocks nearby and go on the roof and watch the match.
Now, we're just a few steps away from where you are filming, but we should stop so you can check it out again.
Okay, let's have a look. Lovely. Yeah, we can actually see. Very cool. It's not a big stadium. The stands, how many people can fit on the stands? Maybe 1,000?
I can't tell you. No idea.
1,000, 2,000 people maybe? Something like that, I'm guessing. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so let's continue. And what's our next destination?
We're walking through a park right now. So we're basically enjoying the view like a lot of people are doing right now. You can see how many cars there are.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Beautiful. It's supposed to be winter, it's not.
Yeah, it's kind of strange. Usually February is the coldest month out of the winter. Now it's actually the hottest month.
Oh well. Maybe global warming is not such a hoax.
Who knows? I like global warming. If it's gonna be hot, then yeah, I support global warming.
Yeah. And you can, to the left, you can also see where they train, where the players train.
So this is like the training field behind the trees?
One of them. We'll get a better view of another one once we walk a little bit forward. But even random people can get to play here as long as you have proper connections.
Yeah.
But I've played games here personally with friends.
Is there like a fee? Do you have to pay for it, or is it free?
Maybe now there is, but before we didn't really pay any fees. We just had some inside people that were taking care of it. They just let us play.
Cool. Oh, there's actually kids playing.
You can see the little kids playing there. They're basically training.
Let's see if we can actually take a shot. There's a lot of trees, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult maybe to see them. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's maybe 10, 11-year-olds practicing right now. Looks like they're playing a little of a five-a-side.
That we see in front of us, it's one of the newer ones, and it's basically a lot of this is where players, where they get injuries, go
to recover, basically.
Yeah,
they get treated here. Looks like a nice hospital.
It is. It's one of the newer ones.
This is basically Hospital Trachea. That's the name of the hospital.
I think you can get a clearer shot from here.
Yeah, let's have a look at the kids playing. And you have the parents in.
Match.
Oh, it's an actual match. Yeah, it is. There's the parents sitting in the stands. And there are the kids playing. Pretty cool.
It seems like it's a training session.
Yeah, more like a training session.
Well, a lot of parents are watching it.
Very nice. Yeah. And then we have another field over here.
I used to actually come here running on this field.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've done it quite a few times. Alone, with friends. But it used to be like a running field, where you do laps. Now they remade it and made it more like a football field.
Yeah.
It has changed a lot. And the buildings you see behind it, these are all basically for any types of sports. So I've heard there's different
For like
things
gymnastics
that.
and stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly. Table tennis as well, stuff like that.
Some people a little bit shy when on camera. You can tell by the look on their face. So where does this park take us?
Well, it takes us to the largest mountain in our country, but it also takes us to the zoo, where we're gonna be doing another video for you, and hopefully it'll be a cool one. I really hope it's open. It did say it should be open, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm surely looking forward to it.
Yeah, so guys, zoo is the next stop. Just giving you a short look again at our training field. Looks pretty good. The grass is getting watered right now. Right guys, so this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's have a look around. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and join us for the next one, which is going to be the Stara Zagora Zoo. Cheers guys.